So I know my own may not be, you can take it one ear and out the other, but you can actually just pace yourself. Like one thing I will tell you that no matter what you do, you must have money. Thank God we have money women here. No matter what you do, you must have money. You don't even have to have billions, but you must have money. Don't let it be that you don't have money. Start investing, no matter what. Invest. Go and do Tosin's cousin. This is your cousin. Money must be entering. You know that people make money when they're sleeping. So even if you have a baby, look for what you're pregnant. It's not you already know. God gives us time. That's why babies don't come out tomorrow. That's why it's 9 months. So that you can pace yourself. But even if it's something I can be doing online, that's the graphic design. Don't ever not have money. Number one, it gives you options.
Yes.
A lot of women are in their marriages because they don't have options. Right. That is it. They will tell you one thing, they are not happy. But come back, they cannot cope. They can't take care of themselves. They don't take care of themselves and their children. So don't let it be. Let it be that when I'm in my marital home, and I don't say husband's house, by the way. This is our home. When I'm in our home, I'm there because I want to be there. I'm not there because of the children. I'm there because I love my husband, I love my family, and I want to be there. I'm there not because I don't have money. Some people are even being abused physically, sexually, in all ways, financially, financial abuse as well, and they stay in the marriage because they don't have options. So make sure you have options, because it makes you know that okay, I'm here because I want to be. And I will link it to what they say about submission. When you have money, it's very important. When you have money, say for example, you tell your husband that I want to